All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a really nicely restored 1948 Ford F1 pickup. These old Fords and old Chevy trucks are really kind of coming up, but they're fixed up so nice. They're not like a farm truck anymore. This one's got a beautiful fresh paint job on it, laser straight body. It's got a new oak bed. Everything's kind of been done. It's got a fresh 350 in it with aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley carburetor. It's got a classic performance independent front suspension, kind of like a Mustang 2 style, with power rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes. Just drives like a nice truck. C-notched in the back with some lowered TCI springs. Very, very nice. Got a Ford 9-inch rear differential, 390 Posi, and that low gear Posi works good with the 700R trans. So the overdrive automatic transmission makes you be able to get on the freeway. You know, it's 4-speed. Thing cruises real nice. It's got the Dolphin gauges on there. Only got 500 and some odd miles on it since everything was done. So not even really used, just kind of broken in. But it's got a Pioneer stereo with Bluetooth connectivity, really nice kick panel speakers, comfortable leather interior. Even the headliner's done real nice. And air conditioning. It's got everything you want. That's what everybody wants. Automatic, overdrive, air conditioning, disc brakes. It's got a tilt wheel too, Speedway tilt wheel. There's one of our customers there in that beautiful Corvette. Of course, everybody's waving. But real clean installation on everything on this truck. So we'll go up the street here on the corner and take some more video and pictures for you so you get a little better look at it. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our beautiful 1948 Ford F1 custom truck. Everything's fresh on this truck. It's only got under 1,000 miles on everything, just kind of break-in miles. But it's finished in a beautiful bright red. It's got an oak bed, all new chrome, all new trim, wheels, tires, just done, all new rubber. Relocated fuel tank, an aluminum tank under there. Gets it out of the cab. Not a lot of room in these anyway. I'm 5'9" and I fit okay, so if you're 6'2", might be a different story. It's got the nice polished Americans, or 10-inch in the back, 6s in the front, bigs and littles. BF Goodrich TA radials. I mean, look at the running boards on this car. And the paint. My ugly reflection in there. Super clean though. One-piece windows, like I mentioned, they're tinted. Show you the inside. Oh yeah, oak bed. Look at that beautiful bed. It's all been done too. So it's got gray leather interior, beautiful carpeting. Dash is all painted nice to match. Got a nice headliner. The little window in the back. There's a picture of this, but it's got a nice stereo. Amplifier, JBL speakers. Also kick panel speakers down here. It's got electric locks. These pretty cool pins down here. There's a remote control. You just hit that, boom, and it locks the door. This way you don't have to have keys for the outside. It's handled with that remote. Tilt column, nice 3-spoke wheel. It's got the Dolphin gauge package. There's your vintage air controls. And of course, the Pioneer stereo. Beautiful truck. Everything fits nice. It drives great. Ready to go to the car shows. Just in time for summer. Here's the power plant in the Ford truck. I know it's a Chevy motor. Everybody does it though because they're good. They're inexpensive to take care of. They're reliable. But it's got a nice rebuilt 350, aluminum heads, aluminum intakes, all painted gray because you kind of can't even tell they're aluminum. It's pretty cool. It's got coated headers. It's got the nice chrome alternator and chrome AC compressor, electric thermostatically controlled fan, little overflow catch can there. Smooth firewall. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. It's a nice running truck. There's all your gauges. Got phenomenal oil pressure. Runs nice and cool. Really nice. Got a Holley carburetor on there, a little 650. But the paint and everything on this, look at that little spot on there. Right when you think you got to find a scratch or a nick, It's not there, it's just dirt. Really beautiful though. Exhaust sounds good coming out the back. Nice little rumble. Pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, give me a ring. 818-591-1313, or you can come visit us in California Cars. We're in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California, 93065. We can ship it to you any place actually in the world. Get you some financing if you got strong credit, you name it. Or we take cash. All right, thanks for watching.